Hi, I'm Dr. Tyler Rathburn and welcome back to Atlanta Orthodontic Specialist. I want to put this video together today to kind of go over some of the new precautions we're taking at our office in light of the COVID-19 pandemic that's affected all of us in dentistry.
As we get back to work, you'll notice some changes in our protocols. The first change you'll notice is that Roy, a new hire here with AOS, will be calling to pre-screen each patient prior to the appointment.
All right, so a few protocols I'd like to discuss before you arrive to your appointment is to please wear your mask. We would also like you to brush and floss thoroughly at your home before you arrive to your appointment because our toothbrushing stations won't be available. We have actually closed them down to reduce the cross-contamination between patients. So we would love for you to brush and floss thoroughly before you arrive.
When you arrive at the office, please arrive 5 to 10 minutes early, and we'll be asking the same questions again. We'll be asking you to sign a supplemental informed consent about your history over the last couple of weeks. We'll also be providing hand sanitizer and taking your temperature. Once you've checked in, we'll take you immediately back to the treatment chair and we'll be asking you to rinse with peroxyl, a hydrogen peroxide solution that in some studies has been shown to reduce the viral load in the mouth.
The second thing is when you arrive, you'll be greeted at the door. And we're asking if parents are able to wait in their car in the common area. There's very limited seating. We've cleared out quite a bit of the waiting room. If they could wait in the car or in the common area while their child is being seen.
Once you arrive to your appointment and you're all checked in, if there's any paperwork that you need to sign, we will invite you into the private consultation room where the treatment coordinator will explain everything and have you sign the forms. Then we will ask you to wait in the common area of the building or in your car until your child's appointment is over.
You'll notice in our clinic that we've divided the clinic into different zones. So rather than having patients sit side by side, we actually have put in temporary screens that divide the clinic so we could keep patients separate.
Once you come back up to pick up your child from the appointment, we will again invite you into the private consultation room where either a doctor or clinical staff will come and brief you on the appointment that just occurred.
Another change we've had to implement is rescheduling appointment types for certain time periods. So for instance, we have certain patients that will be having procedures that need to be handled more immediately. If you have retainers that are working just fine and you're not having any issues, we'll be delaying calling you for a couple of more weeks before we get you back in. Even so, we're taking extra precautions to make sure that you, our staff, and all the doctors are safe. We're wearing scrubs now. We're also wearing disposable gowns, face shields, N95 masks, goggles or loops, and also scrub caps. Thank you for your patience and bearing with us as we return to the office and begin rescheduling your appointments. And as always, thank you so much for entrusting AOS with your orthodontic care.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to AOS, everybody.